Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
I'm Sanjay from VC Media.
Okay.
And we are here to cover the Elecrama event, which is happening in Greater Noida. And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome Shri Pratyush Srivastava, the PMG substation, and Shri Krishna Sureka, who is Assistant Manager International Business Development at Kalpa Taru, based out of Gandhinagar, and their office is at Mumbai. They are basically into EPC contractor work, and I would like to hear from you as to how has been the journey to this place, your future goals, and your experience at Elecrama events.
See, first of all, thank you for coming to our stall. And see, we are one of the third largest EPC in India as of now. And we, like 2 years back, we had a joint venture with the JMC and other. And in Montelanjo, we have covered a lot of companies we took over. Now, see, the international team is also here. We are working in, as of now, we have footprint in more than 75 plus countries. So me, myself, has worked in Botswana. So in SADC region, I have operated. So the journey from barren land, we start journey from a scratch land to a finished product. So our EPC, like, we are working like hell to the projects, and we are working for the nations, a lot of nations, and even for our country. We have 11 verticals as of now. We are into oil and gas, we are into railways, we are into water, we are into substations, transmission lines, and now we are into solar also. So we are developing like hell. Our spike is like in S-curve. Earlier it was used to be S-curve, but now the spike is J. So which represent that our company is like on the ground. Yes. The energy sector, recently we have got project from KfW German. Like KfW Bank is supporting us in financially, supported by UP government. So we are running the project in Jhansi. It is one of the biggest projects in UP, one of the biggest substation of UP. We are doing the like EPC for them. In international, we have got footprints in Chile, Tunisia, and also Austria. We are into like Dubai also. We have got very big project. So the current market of India is on boom. So we are expecting that we are feeling that the shortage is there of the manpower, skilled manpower. Iteration rate is high just because there are n number of players are there. Heavy competition is there, and global footprints is like increasing day by day. Energy sector is like expanding like hell nowadays. What we feel, what my colleague is, what they can express well. So just to express, we are like working in this sector from more than 40 years, like 4 decades. We have already covered. We have started our business from substations, transmissions. So we have our own manufacturing unit of towers also. So we have covered nowadays we are into monopole, which is a new technology of the tower. So in Tajikistan, if you can move over with to my stalls, you can see our journey. We are with Aramco. There are multiple substations in transmission and distribution we have built, executed, and well delivered in the market. So we are covering a lot of potential of energy sectors nowadays, especially in green energy. Our footprints are already there. So you can see Aramco is one of the biggest player in Gulf. So Aramco, we are handling a lot of infra business. Like we are giving competition to L&T there in that particular sector. And you see our journey, like we are building into like infra is in airport also. Like Bagdogra airport, we have also built IIT in buildings of IT. Many IITs we are doing the business with them, and we have developed a building for them and just handed over to them. So you see our journey. We started in 1981, and currently we have grown to a third largest EPC in
1981 to 1984.
Yes. So our turnover is like something more than 24,000 just in T&D.
Oh, that's good.
So if you include the business of TLI, it's developing like hell.
So from 1981, it was incorporated.
Yes, we have started our journey from the TAS
Tower
transmission line. So then we expanded ourselves to R&D centers. UP PTCL is still using our design to their means. Like UP PTCL is a long, is like you see, it's a very old organization, old state utility, but they are still using our design in India.
like built in.
Yes, even PowerGrid, they are still using our R&D products. And we are into also a 1200 kV tower, 1200 kV line. One of the tower we have supplied for the trial run in Bina project, which is the highest in the world. After China project is stopped, but still our project is ongoing. It's on trial run. Then you come into the there are 2001. There are a lot of turnkey biomass, and we have entered into oil and gas in 2001, and then it started. Diversification was started in 2004, and then continuous chain is going on. Then railway boost up we have got in 2010. Since 2010 we are working for DMRC, Bhopal Metro, even a lot of metro railway projects we have done for in rural areas. We took the track, we built the track, we took the people from one station to another station. There was a single line we have constructed for them. People thanked also. Some of the CSR project we were also doing. But you see in 2019 we Linje Monte we have in Sweden. We just took over them, and then like you see the Brazilian company in 2020 we took over them, Faber-Castell, and then a lot of companies still they are in pipeline, which we are taking. Where we are going to take.
They are waiting for a green signal.
Yes. Because you see, in India is the only market which is stable as of now. You see, all over, even in international, the spike is little bit down. It's not like last year. So, in India is still growing. There is no recession. There is no effect of recession in India. But we have an adverse effect as of now in India. So, particularly, we are continuously growing, and you see where we have landed to. Airport projects also. Airport development authorities, we are having a contract with them also. The complete the track we are building. So we are all over nowadays. So to more
Famous stream, and we are there.
Yes, we are there.
That is what we are actually looking forward to. And then with your support to the end masses, the feature that you actually tend to go to the end peoples with your CSRs
correct.
Connecting with the end people is something that is very great about.
We are really thankful to the Indian media, specifically you guys. You came and you appraised our stall, and like Power Ministry also they gave this opportunity to present ourselves here, and all other state utilities where we are working. They are really appraising us as a big EPC player.
Anything that you else want to
Yes. These are the footprints we have as of now. You see the countries we have covered in Africa, almost all Africa, from east, west, north, all the Africa we have covered. Me myself I have executed SADC, means certain country project was there. So you see there is a complete list you can see in Africa. Now our footprints are into America, into complete Pan America. We are there.
12 countries in America.
Yes, and you can have a look over Europe also. A big sound you can get that Europe will also now ready source clean energy company. COP29 just had happened.
Correct.
So they just want to convert everything from into renewables.
Renewable.
So they want to come into the hydrogens. They want to be chip into more solar. So we are having a lessons from COP29, and you see our solar division has grown up like sharp. The growth is, we were expecting the growth is like curve, but growth is in spike. Just because of the market we have and the demand also. The Khavda, you can see the Khavda is about because we are doing the HVDC project there.
Okay.
In Khavda. So it's like opportunity is like hell in India nowadays, and we are just one of the best. We see Asia Pacific also we have done. Myself has also worked in Afghanistan for 3.5 years. So we are going back into Afghanistan also because the security is there. We worked in Ukraine. Still our projects is on hold, but we will be there. There was many foreign footprints. We got Russians over there. Even some of the Israeli people they were here to appraise the stall and get the business. So we got a good footfall here for the opportunities.
Good, with the tie-ups that you have with the countries who are at war. I think we should return now.
Yes. Even in Bangladesh, our railway division was there. We are working in Bangladesh, but nowadays we are planning to go back. situation will be, I think it will be smoothened we are expecting that it should be smoothened within a week time or so.
Right.
So here also we have, you see, there are some of the achievement in, you see, there is a specific tower we have built. This is it. This is from the Pakistan. So it was the customized tower. You see, it's something having a different presenting the plan structure. So we designed.
Pictures of you seeing as a town.
Human beings do. We do not want to miss. Say it was a barren land, so we just did it for them. Yes, we did it for them.
Looks nice, right?
Yes. Here is the complete chain of substation. This is one of the substation from Cameroon and India. This is a platform-based tower we have executed in Indian subcontinent. This is the urban infra we have did, and we have executed a lot of projects. Even for IITs, we have, you see, this is the IIT Tirupati. We have built the building for them. You can see here. Metro division, infra, railway projects, we are all over. This is just because of the opportunity we are getting in the Indian market. Now we are into oil and gas also. So the footprints are good. Railway, metro. It's like see, you see, India is growing well. This is the signal, and you can see that India is like coming up a very good global market.
The booming patch.
Yes.
Hope it continues.
Yes. It is good for us. It's giving opportunity. It's giving a lot of jobs to our sector people, and GTs are getting converted into a good managers. So that's what we are expecting from the upcoming future and industries and fruit. And you guys have appraised us. It's highly it's a motivation for us.
One thing more. Something about the name Kalpatru.
See, Kalpatru.
I mean, there is some history.
Yes. See, Kalpatru is a tree which caters all.
Right.
So that is why you see we have a lot of business verticals. So we are catering all. We are still expanding. So Kalpatru is like whatever you ask, the tree will give. So our chairman has the same motto, or Shri Mufattaraj Manoj have the same motto. So Kalpatru is like a tree. It's a Sanskrit word.
Taru is a
Kalpa is a Sanskrit. Taru is a tree. So Kalpatru it's a tree which is in heaven. So we are having a same motto, which is specifically is looking for cater everyone in the industry, in the power sector, in the other sectors we are expanding.
So with that, I would like to thank you and your team for giving us this opportunity. And we wish Kalpatru and the team headed by our dear sir to bring about more results and more global footprints and more success.
Really thankful for your interview. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.